Assalamualaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine. The date today is 4th June 2021 and the day is Friday. Our topic is plateaus. We will discuss the basic types of plateaus found in Pakistan and what are the features or characteristics of a plateau. There are two plateaus in Pakistan, Potwar Plateau and Balochistan Plateau. Basically, what is a plateau? We discussed earlier. Plateaus are also elevated or high portions of the earth, but their height is less than 800 meter or their top is not a slope, as the top of a mountain is slope or steep, but the top of the plateau is flat. They are also high portions, but their top is flat. We will discuss Potwar Plateau and Balochistan Plateau now in detail. Potwar Plateau, this is a Piedmont Plateau. Piedmont Plateau are basically those plateaus which are situated between the coastal plains and the mountainous areas. Piedmont basically like foot of a mount, like they are like situated as a foot of a mountain, situated in south of Shefalik Hills. To its east is River Jhelum, towards west River Indus, and to its south there is Salt Range. Potwar Plateau is comprised of high and low hills, and the main rivers of this plateau are Swan, Haro, Korang, and beautiful places which are the attractional points for the tourist are Kalar Kahar and Khobeki. Balochistan Plateau. This is a vast plateau situated in the west of Suleiman and Kirthar mountains. Yesterday we discussed these mountains, Kirthar mountains, like they separate the provinces Balochistan and Sindh, and we also discussed the highest peak of the Suleiman mountain range. Many mountain ranges are situated in plateau like the coastal and central Makran mountains, Sihan mountains, Rasko, Chagai, Pup mountains, and Toba Kakar mountains. The highest peak is Rasko of this plateau, which is about 3010 meters high. Western part of plateau is dry. There are less rainfall. There is salt lake like known as Hamun Mushkil, and main river of this plateau are Zob, Bolan, Hub, Porali, Hingol, and Tasht. We will now observe these plateaus in this map. You can see there is a key of a map. At the top you can see brown is used for, dark brown is used for mountains. The yellow color denotes plateaus here. Green is for plains and the orange is for deserts. We will observe where are the plateaus. As you can see, there is a huge portion of yellow color denoting the Balochistan Plateau, and the nearest points are which are included in this plateau are Suleiman Mountains, Rasko, Toba Kakar Mountains as we discussed, Kirthar Mountains, Sehan Mountains, and the other is situated near the Thal Indus Plain, Waziristan Hills, and belong the Himalayas, which is Potwar Plateau. Students, you have to distinguish between Potwar Plateau, distinguish between a plateau and a mountain. Like you can tell the features of mountains and the plateaus. Okay, good luck. Allah Hafiz. Explain your answer in some few lines.